Hi guys, I thought I'd shoot you this quick video to show you how some of my trading robots are doing and to give you some little tips that you can use when using your Johnny blockchain account. So I've got two types of trading robots. I've got the DEX trading robots, which is a decentralized trading robot that trade on PancakeSwap or Uniswap. And then if I go down the screen, I've also got these white color bots that tells me that they're trading with Binance. So you can see here the ROI. So this one 47%, 259, 94, 212, 144. Got one there that made a loss of minus 19, 81%, 5%, coming down a 49, a 2%, a 4%, just under 10, and just over 0.5% for my DEX trading bots and my centralized trading robot that trades on Binance.com. You can see the ROIs here. Started these on the 15th of January. So I've got just under 4%, just over 45%, just under 3%, just over 24%, 20% for that one, just over 0.5% for that one, 103% for my Santos bot. That one's doing really well at the moment. And I've also got this one here that's 18%. So let's show you some tips that you can use that might help you with your trading bots and choosing tokens and understanding how the markets are moving. So I use an app called cryptobubble.net. I'll leave a link for this below the video. You can sort by your favorites or you can go by the top 100. So if you want to add a token to your favorites, I'm just going to click on any one of these, this one here. Then all I would do is click on this plus sign and then choose favorites. I'm not going to do that, but that's how you'd add them to your favorites. You can also, if you come here, you can sort the tokens by Binance. So these are tokens that are trading on Binance. As you can see, the market's pretty red at the moment, and we've had a green week, we got a red day, and we got a green hour. So you can hover your mouse across these top bits and click on any of these. So this will show you the week, the month, and the year. Okay. So that's one trading site that I use. Now you can also check the Johnny Blockchain smart contract, and that's here, and I'll leave a link for that as well, and I'll just refresh the screen. So this will show you the trades that are going on with the DEX trading robot on PancakeSwap. You can see that no funds are held in this smart contract whatsoever, and you can see that at the time of making this video there was a transaction done 58 seconds ago, then 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 6 minutes, and so on. And if you come over to the left-hand side of the screen here, you'll see that there's an eye. If you click on that, you'll be actually able to see the trade. This is open on the blockchain. Everybody can see it. So everybody can get to see your trades. They won't be able to identify you as a person, but they'll be able to identify the wallets that are actually doing the trades on the blockchain. Now, the next little tool that you can use is if you come to Johnny Blockchain and you come on any of the bots, and below the pair, you'll see it's got the pair here. So here's Cake. If you click on this, that will open up DEX Screener for that particular trading pair. But what you can do is if you come down the left-hand side, you can click on Portfolio. And what you can do is you can connect your wallet. I've already got mine connected. You can connect your wallet that you trade with on Johnny Blockchain so that you can see the actual tokens that are being traded. So up the top here will show your wallet balance. Now this wallet was started off with $900 when I started trading that. Now it tells you the amount that you hold inside your wallet. Now you might not always see these coins inside your wallet because you haven't added, but they're always there because they're on the blockchain. So if you come up to your wallet, for example, and you copy the wallet address, the wallet address is there, you just copy that to the clipboard. And with that wallet address, what you want to do is go over to bscscan.com. I'll leave the link for this website as well below the video. And then once you're on this page, you'll get a search box that's in the top here. And all you do is pop your wallet address in there and then click enter. And that will take you over to your wallet address. Now, I can see that the tokens are here on the blockchain, and you'll always see them, but you might not see them inside your MetaMask wallet. But all you need to do is simply click on the token from that drop down that's missing inside your wallet, and that will take you over to this page, and you can see there it's got the contract address, and then in the top right hand corner here you'll see that it says more, And then all you need to do is to go down and add token to MetaMask Web3. You click on that, it will open up your MetaMask wallet, and then all you need to do is you'll see the token will appear there. All you need to do is to click on add token. And that's it. That's how you add the tokens. So that's the DEX screener, and that's the portfolio section. Now you can also, if you want to, click on any of the tokens and it's going to take you to the chart. So you're going to have a look at how the trading's doing. And at the top here, I've got it on the dark mode at the moment, but you'll see it says full. If you click on that full, you'll get the chart open up and you'll have these little tools down the right hand side here. And if you click on the arrows, it'll open up and you can maybe get a price range to see how the price has dropped or gone up. As you can see, from that top price down to that low one, it's dropped by 1.15%. So they're just some tools that you can play with, and just to give you an idea of how your trading bots are doing and how the market's going, because your bots are trading robots and they react to what's going on in the market. They don't create the market, they just react to the market. Then the next thing you can do is you can come over to your Binance if you're trading on Binance.com. And when you sign into your Binance account, if you come up to this little, looks like a car door actually, but it's actually a wallet. If you go down there and go down to account wallets, that will bring you to the list of tokens that you've got inside your Binance account. And then on the right hand side here, you can click on trade. So that will bring you to the trading chart. And if you look here, there's some red arrows that are pointing downwards and some green arrows pointing upwards. So they're the buy and sells for this particular trading robot. And you can see those if you hover your mouse over this here. This, it looks like a building. It's called the display settings. Then all you need to do is to toggle on this order history. Can you see that there? It removes the arrows. I don't know why they put arrows there now, because previously they had buy and sell, but maybe they're changing some things. They're always changing things on Binance. And then if you scroll down the bottom of the screen, you can click on trade history, and you can either show today or for a week or so on. So you can see that my bot is just traded Bitcoin. It's just done a buy for Bitcoin. It bought some AVAX. It sold some AVAX down there. It did a couple of buy and sells for AVAX today. And if I want to have a look at these trading charts, all I need to do is to click on them from there. And that will open up my AVAX trading chart. And if I come back to my dashboard, and then once you're on the dashboard, if you look here, it says orders. If you click on that drop down, and what we're looking for is spot orders. And then we want the trade history. So again, you can sort this by a date range, and you can pick a particular type of order. There's some settings there at the top. Now another tool I want to show you inside Johnny Blockchain, if you click on this magnifying glass for one of the DEX trading robots, that will open up the trade history. You've got these blue shapes here with a number in them. That's the lot that was traded, and they're actually clickable. If you click on one of those, it will take you to the blockchain to show you the trade on the blockchain. So the blockchain doesn't lie. There's the trade, and it's showing you that it's interactive with Pancake Swap's liquidity pool for AVAX. So you can check those trades there. It tells you how much the fee was. And if you come back over to Johnny Blockchain, hover your mouse, you'll see that it says the fee is also in there. So you can track this side as well. There's a blue shape there. I don't know, it's not quite a circle, is it? But there's that shape there. And if you click on that, again, it will take you to the blockchain of where the actual trade was done for the sell in this case. And as you can see, it sold AVAX, and then it put back into the MetaMask wallet $30.84. So they're just some of the things that you can do on Johnny Blockchain. Now, if you're interested to get access to Johnny Blockchain and you'd like to set up a trading robot, then below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to Johnny Blockchain. You get a screen just like this. It shows you that it uses cookies. You just click OK for that. And then in the top right hand corner, you've got sign up, or you've got this register button. You click on there. It's so simple. You put your name, your email address, create a password, put some ticks in these boxes, and then click this blue button that says complete sign up. That will give you a free account so that you can have a look round. Now, it costs $25 to get access to the DEX trading robot for 12 months, and you can set up as many trading robots as you like, and another $25 if you want to set up the decentralized trading robot. And again, you can set up as many trading robots as you like with Binance.com. You can either have both or either or. So if you're interested in earning a passive income with a real trading robot that's giving real profits, click the link below and come and create your Johnny Blockchain free account. You have a great day. Happy trading, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.